let's assume, I'm a new college grad, or, I'm a newbie into the tech field,
Right.
and I want to get into FANG. What is the guidance that you will give?
Let me take one step back and talk about getting a job in tech is easy. Getting a good job in tech is very difficult. You'll get a job for 60K or 80K or something around that anywhere in the US if you are just even a little bit good in computer science. But getting a good job in tech, or getting into the FANG or FANG MG or whatever they call it nowadays, all the acronyms, then it is extremely difficult because you have to always be interview ready, always keep pushing the boundary, always have to be prepared, you always have to learn about new code and stuff like that. For new graduates, one thing, don't get into a habit of just getting a job. Yes, you will get. If you have a computer science background, it will be easier to get just a job. Yes, a big question is what steps or what should you do to get a job in FANG? There are several resources online. I can read them. One of them is LeetCode, which you mentioned earlier, Code Forces and Code Wars, and there's so many all this coding competitions and coding websites where you should regularly, almost every day, practice 1 or 2 problems. Another thing is how to answer a question. Many people don't realize, but that's also a make or break in interviews, whether you can communicate well with the interviewer or not. If you are going to be hired, then you obviously are going to work in a team setting. And when a problem is given to you, how do you approach the problem? Have a little bit of understanding of how do you frame your question, how do you frame your solution. All those things you should keep in mind.